Wow. We finally decided to upgrade our windows in our 30-year-old house to impact storm windows. I got tired of putting up the aluminum shutters when we had storms, and so we finally decided to get off the wallet and get this done. And it turned out to be much more of a construction project than we had really realized. My wife says she knew all the time what it was going to be, and it was me that underestimated it, and that may be true. Our house is constructed from prefabricated reinforced concrete, and then the windows were grouted in using stucco. And so to get the old windows out, in some cases they had to break the glass and then pry the frames out of the openings. And then from there, to smooth out the opening, they had to use grinders to get the old stucco down to the concrete so they could slip the new windows in. And so this made a huge dust mess, and we had dust covering every surface in our house, even though the crew took great pains to try to protect our interior. So they put up this plastic all over the place, but it really, at the end of the day, didn't do very much for us. The total construction duration was 5 days. It started on a Monday morning and it ended late on a Friday afternoon. Now, it's 2 weeks out since we've had the windows put in, and there's still a punch list of items that are left to be done. We've got some caulking issues. One of the windows cracked and has to be replaced. And there's a little bit of stucco work that has to be done, and a few other odds and ends. So we paid up the whole thing except for 10%, which we'll withhold until all that work is done. Not likely to see this ever again.
No, and they're gonna last many years.
I barely recognize my house right now. Of course, this is our patio, and these are some of the sliding doors that are out there. And they're beautiful, but you can see where the old windows came out and the new ones, the stucco had to be repaired and put back in. So this shows what it looks like before the stucco was back in. And then they had a crew come along and stucco everything in. And so you can see I removed the hurricane shutter railings in some of the windows, and I'll be painting around the windows and also to cover up where the railings were. So once the windows were in, there was a very large task, which was to wash the windows. So we had a crew come in. This was part of our contract. 2 guys all day with mineral spirits going over the windows, and it was quite a task, but they looked beautiful. So everything's looking pretty good. We still have to do some touch-up paint and so forth, but that's something I'll take care of at my leisure. That's it for this job. Thanks for watching.